My mom, Diane Hunter, is back with us to tell us about a fantastic home from those Callaways.
Yes, and this is an unbelievable beauty located in Scottsdale. It's a golden heritage home and it's situated on a desirable cul-de-sac. It has over 5,000 square feet of living area.
Oh, wow.
5 en-suite bedrooms, 6 bathrooms. Isn't that huge?
It's crazy.
The living room is stunning with a 30-foot wall of windows and 12-foot tray ceilings. It's really open and airy. The kitchen's also gorgeous with blonde cabinetry and stainless steel and cabinet front appliances, and even a convenient eat-at island. And you will love the 3-sided fireplace that opens to the fabulous family room and dining room.
Oh, nice.
There's even a sitting room master suite that has a spacious view balcony and cozy fireplace. A lower level has a media room and game room. Isn't this huge? It's great for family or entertaining.
It doesn't stop.
And the outside is really awesome with pebble-finish pool with spa, waterfalls, and fire features. Not to mention the breathtaking views. Priced at $1,175,000. I mean, this is a fantastic home.
It sounds like it. People need to check it out.
Thank you.